Hi, Courtney. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee Amber and said that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website to bring in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand the struggles that contractors face, as well as I understand that business owners reach a point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer all day and keep up with the changing internet and learn how to make it work for them to bring the business to them. And what we found holds owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is obviously not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we really believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these free plans of attack and giving them away. And there's been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can give you good results, then you can always give us a call back just to chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to your site yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here. You guys do have a beautiful, clean site. It looks professionally done. I can see like you guys got a good template that you used. So like right on, you guys are you're in the right track. Now for Google to get that optimization, Google isn't ranking you based on the appearance. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning the content within your site to try and find any of the keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to keep a rule of thumb, at least 100 words of content for every one keyword. Now, when you have your site set up this way, it's going to do 2 things. It will show Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it will have Google ranking your site at the top of more search results, which means more customers. An example over here of a keyword is roofing Columbus, Ohio, being searched 720 times a month. Now, when customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. You want to get this optimized by adding your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get citations. A citation is just an online directory, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's lots out there, but you want to get your information for contact on at least 100 more directories than your competitors, and that will have you ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers really like to call. Now down here is the organic search results. Now these top 5 sites actually get rotated by Google in a Google dance, and recently I believe it's even changed to just the first page in general, so that might be the top 10 sites. But your top competitor here is that Newman Roofing, so I'll use them as your competitor for the remainder of the video here. Now I've actually got their site pulled up so we can see just how much content they've got, and it shows you that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is really going to help you beat them. Now for the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs, showing what's happening on the back end of a website. So I can see your homepage has a ranking of 11, and the entire website domain has a ranking of 10. And this is out of a scale of 0 to 100. So you guys are sitting, on the lower end of the entire scale of all websites online. Now, the ranking is made by the backlinks. So a backlink is just when another website online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. This is a way, like I said, Google's going to get competitive out there. We all know it. So this is what's going to happen. You're going to be having different rankings occurring. Now, the more you can see, you've recently added backlinks, and they're not all created equal because of that competition. So some of these backlinks have caused you to drop in your ranking for keywords. Right now you have 341 backlinks coming from 101 sites. So before you link to a site, it's important that you make sure it's high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. And as of right now, you have 694 keywords you're being ranked on. All of this is giving you 175 traffic each month. Your competitor at Newman Roofing has a much higher strength site, so we would have our work cut out for us because we would go through their 2,700 backlinks and find the highest ranking ones that are the highest quality to give you that ranking by putting them onto your site. Then we'll go hunt down more backlinks that your competitors aren't using that give you additional ranking just so you can dominate the market. Now, their links are only coming from 134 sites and they have 892 keywords. But all of this is giving them over 1,100 traffic each month. So even if only half the visitors that are coming to their site every month were to fill out a contact form and call their phone number, that's still over 500 roof opportunities a month. So you can see that the potential is there. We know that there's a search volume. You just need to learn Google's language on your site to really take advantage of the ranking so that you can get most of that traffic and get more leads coming in. So a quick recap, you'll want at least 1,500 words on the homepage. We want to put at least 500 words on each back service page. Then make sure you use the rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every keyword. You want to get your information for contact into as many online directories as you can. And you want to go get some high ranking backlinks that are high quality and relevant to the roofing industry. With these 3 steps, you guys will be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. That's totally okay. Like I said, free education. We're really just here because we want to get the feedback and be sure that we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. But if you did want any help getting this stuff done, because I understand, you're busy trying to run a business and get things done, go ahead and give us a call. We'll see if we're a good fit together, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees if you're needing to grow your crews. Thank you so much for letting us send the video and taking the time to watch it. I hope you got good value out of it. My partner will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback. Take care.